Naman tayo sa BIR para sa isang mahalagang announcement ni BIR Commissioner Kim Jacinto-Henares.
Of proper taxes on time, may I now call on the Commissioner of the Bureau of Internal Revenue, Commissioner Kim Jacinto-Henares.
Good morning to everyone. We have a tax filing deadline on April 15. This is the income tax return filing for those people who are on a calendar year, no? Those who and for those individual who are compensation income earner. I'd like to state that the request of the Bureau is that we should file the right taxes, pay the right taxes, and pay it on time. If we can make it earlier. Why do we have to pay our taxes earlier? Because if you are delayed just by 1 day, we normally impose a surcharge already of 25%, and there's a penalty of 20% per annum, no? Who are required to file their income tax return. Generally, if you are in business, whether you are losing or whether you made profit, you should file an income tax return together with a financial statement. Now, for compensation income earner, you have to ask yourself whether you have been employed by one single employer for the whole year and whether or not the proper taxes has been withheld. No, there's not hindi kulang, hindi sobra. If the proper taxes are withheld and you have only one employer, then that's the time when you don't have to file an income tax return, because you're under substituted filing. But if he does not qualify under those conditions, you have now to file an income tax return. And you file as an individual. If you're not in business, you file your income tax return either at the place where your employer is located or where you are residents of. No? And where usually, if you move your residence or you move your employer, you have to update your tax record. So it will show who your current employer is and where your current address is. So that's basically what's happening for April 15. We would like to request everyone to pay the right taxes because aside from all those surcharge and interest, no, as everyone is aware, we have been filing tax evasion case since July 15. We have been filing at least one tax evasion case every other week. As of date today, yesterday we filed 2 cases. No, there's already the 37 and the 38 cases that we filed, and this will keep on continuing until people start to be more compliant. No. You know, the day we do not have to file a tax evasion case will be a happy day for everyone because that means more or less nagko-comply na ho lahat na tao sa pagbabayad ng buwis. Kaya lang, if compliance is low, then we are forced to file tax evasion cases. So I don't know whether that's the briefing you need or whether we should just go to an open forum.
At yan si BIR Commissioner Kim Jacinto-Henares tungkol sa pagpapile ng income tax return.